Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. This is Ed and you are watching Random E. So today I'm going to unbox the M8s Meitu smartphone. It's a Dragon Ball Z limited edition which runs Android OS, and this phone has 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gig of storage. This is what we have outside of the box. So let's start opening this. So the box has here are some paperwork and the SIM removal tool. The IMEI is here and the warranty. So we have the phone, and then what else? We have the ultimate selfie remote. It has the battery and the remote. By the way, this phone was released I think around 2017 or 2018. I'm already late, but it's all worth it because it's cheaper right now if I buy it online. So we also have the silicone case for the phone, and we also have the screen protector. So it has most of what's needed for a brand new phone. And also we have the charging cable and charging brick. So that's all we have in the box. So I'll turn on the phone and see how the wallpaper or the phone inside looks like. So this is the phone. So it says Wukong. So it's Goku. So it has the camera here, so it has screen protector as well, and it has the USB Type-C connector, and it still has the 3.5 jack and the speaker, and we have the SIM card here, I think. So let's turn this on. So this is the splash screen for Meitu. Actually, I'm not familiar with Meitu smartphone, but I like that they created the limited edition. So they also have the Raymond and Sailor Moon version, I think. So this is how the wallpaper looks like. So it has the same image as the cover. So basically it's like an Android phone, but with just special wallpaper and some accessories. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next vlog. Thanks.